Hey everyone, so in the last video we saw that how to create a material request inside ERPNext, and in this particular video what we are going to do is we are going to create an RFQ which is known as request for quotation, right? So request for quotation is a document which you usually generate when you want to get a quotation for your purchase which you are making, right? So it is usually sent to the suppliers of our company to send us a quotation inside ERPNext, right? So in ERPNext, it has a very good portal. So what happens is when you create an RFQ, you can add the suppliers also, and you can directly send them a notification email also for the quotation which you have requested. So in this particular video, we are going to see the complete flow, how it is done inside ERPNext. So over here, you can see that this is the material request form, which I have already pre-filled in the last video. Now, what I'll do is I'll click on this create button and I'll select this request for quotation over here, right? As soon as I'll click on this, you will see that all the items which were selected in the previous document, which is material request document, everything has come pre-filled. The warehouse, the quantity, the required by date, everything is already there. Right now, what is important over here is that if you want to remove any of these items, you can remove them also and just send the item which you are looking for from these particular suppliers which you are going to see now. So what you have to do is you have to see this supplier table over here, and you have to add the suppliers one by one, right? So for example, I want to ask for quotation for Veterinary Parts Incorporation. I also want to do hydraulics, lubricants. I also have to see for motor suppliers, right? And if you have their email ID, you can add them also. So I'm adding something dummy just to show you. And motor suppliers also, right? Now what is coming over here is that if you want to send them an email, right? So email is something which will get triggered as soon as you submit this document. So these particular people, the suppliers of ours, will receive a complete email that we are looking for this many items and please submit your quotation for this particular item, right? So what we'll do is we'll just save this and we'll just submit this. Okay, so as soon as we'll submit this document would be created. So just let's wait for some time. Yeah, it is done. So this email has been sent and triggered to each and every supplier of ours. This is the item code which you have sent, right? Now, for example, if some of this suppliers have sent you a quotation, so the next document which will be going to cover in the next video is the supplier quotation. So if you have liked this video, please do like, comment and share this video. If you are looking for any kind of ERP implementation, please do connect with me. I have mentioned all my contact details in the description below. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.